Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, you are going to solve multiple choice questions that has been asked in the REET examination. This question is from the chapter, from the unit 1, Physics and Measurement. Okay, Physics and Measurement. The question is, a screw gauge gives the following readings when used to measure the diameter of a wire. Main scale reading 0 mm, 0 millimeter. Circular scale reading 52 divisions. Okay, that's all. So it is given that 1 mm, 1 millimeter of main scale corresponds to 100 divisions on the circular scale. The diameter of the wire from the above data is how much? 0.52 centimeter, 0.026 centimeter, 0.26 centimeter, 0.052 centimeter. These are all the four options given to you. So this is a screw gauge. So diameter of the wire, when you measure it, making use of a screw gauge, the correct reading in the screw gauge will give you the diameter of the wire. So diameter of the wire is equal to correct reading CR. How to find it? MSR plus CSR into LC. So if 0 error and 0 error or 0 correction are given, you have to apply that also. But here it has not been given. So this formula is sufficient to you. CR is equal to MSR plus CSR into LC. So what is LC? Least count. What is the formula for least count? Pitch by N. What is pitch? 1 millimeter. What is N? N is the number of divisions in the circular scale or gauge scale. So N is the number of divisions in the gauge scale, circular scale. So pitch is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 100. That is equal to 0.01 millimeter is the least count of this screw gauge. Pitch is 1 millimeter because it has been given that 1 mm on main scale corresponds to 100 divisions. Okay, that's it. Then MSR is equal to 0 mm main scale reading, CSR circular scale reading is equal to 52 divisions. So you substitute the things in the formula. CR is equal to MSR plus CSR into LC. What is MSR? 0 plus what is CSR? 52. What is this count? 0.01. So it is equal to 52 millimeter. Remember, it is 52 millimeter, not centimeter. How will you find it? How will you convert it as a centimeter? 0. Divided by 10. So it is equal to 0.052 centimeter. So diameter of the wire is 0.052 centimeter. Is the correct answer. So option 4 is the right answer for this question. So we'll see one more question from this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.